this is the toad. A group of toads is called a knot. Toads also start out life in water as fish-like tadpoles. As you can see, mother geese build nests near lakes and rivers. Baby geese can also walk and swim a day or two after they're born. Evergreen trees are used by birds and animals for shelter and food. Evergreen trees keep their leaves year-round, except in this case. At least 31 million Americans hiked along a trail in 2007. Since the National Trail System was established in 1965, the total mileage of trails on federal lands has increased from 88,000 miles to 193,000 miles. A lichen is not a single organism, but a combination of a fungus and a green algae. They grow on surfaces such as rock, bark, and soil. At cooler seasons, worker bees can live for 9 months, while in the summer they can live for 6 weeks.